What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Speaky, guys. Today we have the AirPods second generation from 2019. We will do a unboxing on these AirPods, and we got them because they are quite comfortable in the ears. We didn't get the third generation because they are not as comfortable in the ears, and we think that it's important for AirPods to feel good when you listen to them with the music. So these AirPods are quite heavy package, I can feel directly, and it's quite cool that I can actually feel that here on the box the AirPods are sticking out a little bit. So yeah, they look like this, and you use them in the case and with the charger. So I will open this box here. Maybe not so easy, but we'll see here. Yeah, there we go. Oof, yeah. So yeah, this plastic was also quite good to protect them. So let's do like this. Yeah. So here it says designed by Apple in California. So this is like maybe the manual or something. And yeah, then we have the AirPods themselves in here. And then the box is quite empty, I think, but except this one, the charger. That's included in the package. That's quite good to have. Only you need to have the adapter, charging adapter. That's not included in the package, but the cable is. So yeah. So first let's take a look here at what I think is the manual. Yes. Or we have firstly here. But now it's in our own language here in Swedish. But here it says open AirPods and everything. So it will give you instructions on how to use them and how to connect them to your phone as well. So you know what to do with them. And this other is, I think it's also like some sort of just long instruction books. Maybe you don't need to read everything because it's quite a lot, but yeah. And then the charging cable is just to open up like this. So you will have your own like phone charging adapter, so you just connect this cable to it and then you can use it. And yeah, very good. So not so much in the box that's unnecessary. Everything is well packaged. So the AirPods are here in this plastic. You can remove it. Yes, it's feels quite heavy. So they are still good AirPods. Wow. I can just show you quickly here so you can get an idea of how they are. On the left side here we have the AirPods, the specs on them. They have double tap, so you can like tap on them to skip the music and pause. They have Siri, up to 5 hours of listening time on one charge. So the AirPods themselves, when you have them in your ears, they can last 5 hours, but the case they can make so you can have 24 hours of listening time, but then you need to put them back into this case to charge it up. And yeah, lightning charging case and some good technology as well, and microphones of course. And then here are the controls, double tap to play, skip forward, answer a phone call, and then say hey Siri to do things like play a song. So it's quite good. Here are the height and width, depth, the weight. They weigh 4 grams, and the case weighs 38 grams. So yeah, and you have 3 hours of talk time with a single charge, up to 18 hours of talk time when you have charged them as well in the box. Non-water resistance, but that's not really the most necessary. And Bluetooth 5.0, yes, so very good. So now we have looked at everything in the box, so I will just throw it away because everything is not so important to have at all times. So yeah. So here in the AirPods, we can open them up. So it clicks like this, and you have some space here to open the box easier. And we take them out, look like this, very good quality I would say, and when you put them back it's like a magnet that pulls them in, so it's really good. So yeah, now we're going to test them with the Apple phone that we have here. So when I open them up and take them out, you can see here that it says how much battery they have and how much battery the case has. It's really good, so you get to know that, and we have in the Swedish language there if you wonder, because we live in Sweden. So I have them out here, and then you can just go in to Spotify and try how they sound. So now I am connected to the AirPods and I'm in Spotify and I have them on me, and I can feel they are comfortable to have, and they do not block out the other sound too much, the outer noise. So you can still hear everything around you, and they feel good, just like the name of this song. And I will continue to play now, start playing music on a low volume, so now you won't hear them, but I think on maximum volume you could hear them through the video, even though I have them on me. But the cool thing here is that you can go into your phone's settings here, like ear settings, or at least on the iPhone is the ear settings, and yeah, it's on Swedish, but you can see that when I change the volume, it will display you how much decibels it is on that volume. So 64, and yeah, so it's good because then you get to know like if it's too loud to you. And you see here now it's yellow, it's warning that it's a bit high volume. Now I can go to maximum volume. Yeah, you can probably hear the music, but you can see it's 92 decibels at the maximum volume, 95 even. So that's quite loud actually for AirPods. So yeah, don't listen with too loud volumes, of course it's not good for your ears. It will also make your battery life a bit less if you have it on maximum volume. But yeah, in a normal sounding volume, they are pretty good, I would say. They sound quite good. And now, whoa, I think I did something here. There we go. I just pressed on this sound option, it made the sound, and I could actually hear myself talking. I think it's like some sort of feature with the microphone. But yeah, otherwise, good sound, good bass, and yeah, everything. You can't hear it so good, of course, because it's made to be placed in the ears, the AirPods. But they're good because I have tried some other types of AirPods and earphones. They are good. So yeah, really impressed by them, this first impression from the unboxing. So yeah, now I can show you that it works to skip when you double tap. Now I'm double tapping, so you see it skips the songs. So that works perfectly fine. So yeah, very impressed by this from the first impressions. We'll have to use them a little bit to see later on how the battery is doing and so on. But yeah, that was everything for this unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching.